You know when you walk into a toilet and see those Reed Diffusers? They look so boring, they are expensive and often you don't know what they've put inside. So let's make some ourselves instead. For the base I will use a carrier oil. I'm using baby oil because it has no scent and it is colorless. Then we will add essential oil. I'm using rose and lemon. Then we use some reeds or bamboo skewers. And a container with a narrow opening. And I like to make some decoration. I have some roses and flags I will make. The first thing we will do is prepare the mixture. I will add about 10% of essential oil to the carrier oil. When that's done, fill up the bottle. Now we will make the flags. Look at this. Okay, now the vase with roses. Cut a strip of paper, roll and fold, continue until you reach the end of the strip. This is the result. I think they're more interesting looking than the ones you can buy in store. Also, there are no chemicals added and they're cheaper to make. And the smell is delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe.